Downloading bills for your Airtel Wi-Fi connection is now easier than ever on the Airtel Thanks app. Here's how. Open the Airtel Thanks app. Tap on Services to access the list of active Airtel services. Here, find and tap on the Wi-Fi card. On the Service Details page, scroll down and select View Bill. Here, simply scroll down to Bill History and tap on the paper icon next to the desired bill to open the bill. Once the bill is open, simply click on the Share icon to download the bill. Just open the Files folder on your phone to view the downloaded bill. Facing issues for your Airtel services? Get immediate assistance by tapping on the Help option on the home screen of the Airtel Thanks app and click on Chat Now. Airtel Cares, we are here to help.